Alright, so you turn it on here.
Yep.
Like that. So you've chosen this zone here, which is that one.
Yeah.
Now if you had a big pan, you can click this and it will bridge those two together. Let me undo that. Right, so to control the temperature, you can go 9, 0, or use this sliding thing here.
Yeah.
Like that. If you want to boost it, you click boost. And then this is a timer here, so you can actually time it. But what it does is it works out, if you turn it on and then it works out if there's no pan or mocha pot on here, then it will just turn itself off.
Okay.
So we're obviously using this one. So I would suggest using about number 3. We don't need to boost it obviously because that would then bring loads of heat. That's like,
and the benefits of an induction hob are that it heats up incredibly quickly, doesn't it?
It only heats where the pot. Well, it only heats the pot. It doesn't heat the surface.
Yeah.
So the only heat on the surface.
There shouldn't be any heat here.
No, there's no heat here. So the only heat on the surface comes from the fact that the pot was hot.
Yeah.
So it doesn't heat the surface itself.
Right.
So it's very efficient.
So what would you say the benefits of an induction hob are then? Faster heating, much quicker.
More efficient.
More efficient.
You're not heating the room around. So if you think about our old one, had a big ring. So if you put this in the middle, then lots of that heat is just escaping into the air. Whereas this is only heating exactly where that pot is.
Perfect.
This one also has, if it overflows, so if you overboil a pot, it will turn off automatically.
Yes.
Which is nice. And this isn't even anywhere near the top of the range one.
Right.
This is a very mid-range, but got lots of toys. 2 bridging zones, so you can have big pans or oval pans on here.
Amazing.
3.
Look at that's coming out already.
How fast is that compared
that's
to...
insane.
Normally we're stood here for almost 10 minutes.
Should we put it on 4?
Well, that's coming out beautifully. I think 3 is the charm.